Making a video today showing the Big Tex and then the kit that comes with the 2020 Chevy Silverado gooseneck prep package. You have to order the ball that comes with it. There's issues with it when you go in. It shakes a little, so I'm going to show the video of that. This is the kit that you have to order. It's nice and easy. This is the prep package, and this is my 2021 Big Tex trailer. That's a 22 GM. Now this thing's not supposed to move, because if this moves and you have this trailer and load, it's going to make a lot of noise. But this is without the gooseneck, so that's how much movement you have right now in it. Taking bringing up the legs of the gooseneck. That's it. The gooseneck is secured onto the ball. We have an empty load right now, so we'll show what the jerk sounds like with this. Alright, the gooseneck is again hooked up to the truck, but this time I've got Megatron on here, so we're going to go back and forth with the load. This is about 25,000 pounds with the truck, trailer, and load.